video lectures, we will learn about GIMP. GIMP is GNU image manipulation program. One can use Adobe as well, but GIMP is free software and one can download it from gimp.org, and it is a free and open source software, so you can download it from this site without any problem of license and without paying anything to anyone. So there are two options: download GIMP directly or download GIMP via BitTorrent. I am downloading it directly. After download, one has to install it as usual. In the following series, we will be talking about more on this, and I would like to know on what features of GIMP you would like to have videos. I would be uploading videos on some basic topics, and slowly we will move further and make this tutorial helpful for everyone. Thank you and have a nice day.